Hello, so you all are welcome to Student Chef Mech, and today we are going to talk about PIMD, which is a game you can find it in App Store and Google Play. So this is the home page you'll be rewarded to after you open PIMD, where you can find dorms, job, people and clubs. So now let's head towards the dorm section. You can you can buy at least up to 36 dorms, and you can keep people over there with strength and intelligence. This is the job section where you will be able to do jobs and earn money, of course virtual money, not real money. And then let's go to our club section because it's quite important. With your club or sorority, you can have parties, have wars with other sororities and clubs, and of course enjoy. These are the list of the parties which you have. It is above 30, so you can have many parties. And this is the campus bus option where you can find the wars going on now, wars which are going to be later in the parties. So now let's head back and let's do something more interesting. Now let's explore our profile option. You can change your status. You can see what is a higher value, your pupil's name and your strength and intelligence. This is a showcase. Whatever you buy or whatever you get as a gift is kept over here if it is valuable enough. And these are the latest award and all the blah blah things which accepted gifts which you are getting. And these are the items which you can buy from the store. I will explain to you later. And these are the number of fights or dance you have won or lost against someone. And you can also buy new avatars or reset your profile. For buying avatars you need EC. These are the few awards which you will be getting for completing parties or doing fights and all. And after you complete 50 parties of same party, then you will get strength and intelligence too. So now let's head to the second part, which is VIP forum, help and invite. Now let's head to the VIP section. So these are the few VIP people who are really strong, and these are the few clubs which are really strong. To be in VIP you have to be really strong, and you have to really work hard, and you have to be the strongest. And this is the forum section where you can find the discussion of almost each and everything, and you can get any help. This is a help section where you can of course get helps about whatever you want to know. So now let's head back and now let's do some kind of understanding in a deeper prospect. This is your socializing option where you can socialize with people, send them messages, gifts, or post in their walls and annoy them anytime. This is a news section where you will get news about you and your club constantly, so it is important. And this is the store which I was talking about, where you can buy not permanent but strength and intelligence too. Here in the nurse option you can buy EC and doctor's note, which you can use for strength and intelligence and lots of things. So this is a tutor option. Here you have to buy tutors and make yourself strong so that you can fight with other people and win the fight. Obviously tutors will help you increase your strength. So now let's head back, and now we are going to check out people's option. This is the people option. You should not battle with active people, so it's better for you to battle with the non-active people, or you can battle with active people. So I am going towards my enemy, Bart Simpson. You can fight, dance, eavesdrop and prank. I'm going to go for dancing, and yes, I have won the dance off, and I have won 36 million rupees, of course in the game, not in real life. So this is about PIMD.